In this short video, I will introduce and explain how to use the Formula Predictor software to obtain the empirical formula of an unknown compound measured by high-resolution mass spectrometry. In HRMS analysis, formula prediction utilizes the high precision of mass measurements to propose potential molecular formulas for detected ions, aiding in the identification and annotation of unknown compounds. LC-Q-TOF has been widely used in identification of unknown compounds in various samples like natural products, etc. A general workflow for identification of unknown compounds by LC-Q-TOF begins from data acquisition to acquire full scan MS as well as MSMS data by targeted MSMS mode or by DDA or DIA mode. Data analysis includes HRMS spectral analysis and MSMS spectral analysis, both of which support the final identification of unknown components. This video focuses on the roles of Formula Predictor in identification of unknown compounds. An extract sample of marine bacteria was analyzed by LC-Q-TOF in full scan MS and MSMS modes. 4 unknown components were detected and named P1, P2, P3, and 4. The peak area of P3 component accounts for 94.4% and is the main component. The accurate mass of the main component P3 is m/z 403.2328. MSMS of this precursor produces many fragments. From these MS and MSMS spectra, the elemental composition and structural information of the molecule can be inferred. Let's see how to find the possible empirical formulas for this compound. Formula prediction leverages the high mass accuracy to propose potential molecular formulas for detected ions, aiding in the identification and annotation of unknown compounds. The algorithm uses the measured m/z values and known elemental composition rules to generate possible molecular formulas. Mass accuracy is critical, and measurements with 1 ppm mass accuracy are required to easily obtain the correct formulation. It is important to set correctly the element selections and ranges, mass accuracy, adduct, ion type, etc. For example, for P3 precursor of m/z 403.2328, set carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen, and protonate ion type. The unique formula of C2308 is generated. If the element selection includes other elements, such as sulfur or phosphorus, more candidate formulas are generated. Therefore, formula prediction results serve as only potential molecular formulas, but not conclusions. This slide summarizes the final identification results of the unknown components. The main component P3 was identified to be tributyl acetyl citrate by NIST high-resolution MSMS search and using the assigned program with ChemSpider database search. The identification result is in accordance with the formula prediction result. In many cases, high-resolution MSMS library searches will not give matching results. Formula prediction can provide candidate formulas and narrow the search scope through the assigned program to facilitate identification. In summary, Formula Predictor is an essential subprogram in the Lab Solutions Insight Explorer. Formula prediction is an important step in identifying unknowns by HRMS, as the results must be consistent with those by MSMS library search or using the assign approach. Please note that formula predictions only serve as potential formulas, not conclusions.
Excellence in science. Shimadzu.